My name is Subodh. I'm from Wanderers Bulletiers of Hyderabad. This club is the oldest club, one of the biggest and the oldest club in Hyderabad. In fact, in all over India. It's a 12-year-old club. We are about 2,500 members in this club. It's a great honor to be a member of this club with such a wonderful camaraderie and brotherhood in the club. And we are all here together because we share one single passion, and that is the love for the bullet and the riding a bullet, which is very dear to our hearts. Because of the single passion we share, we all get together for the events, for the rides every week, on every Sunday. And we have a meet in the evenings on Sundays, and almost 3-4 times in a month we organize rides. We go together, and on each ride, we expect at least about minimum about 50-60 members to join in. But on special occasions there are more than 150-200 members who pitch in on every Sunday. See, we are all people from various backgrounds. There are people from IT industry, people from banking sector, people who are in business, people who are employed with the government departments as well. I was from the education department. But then the entire fraternity of all kinds of backgrounds, we all come together. There are students as well who have completed their graduation recently, who have joined this club. So this. The main important aspect what I want to convey here is the passion for bullet. What we have all, it has brought us under one umbrella, and thereby it has created a sense of discipline among each and everybody, all of us here. We ride with all safety gears, like what you see me wearing safety gears, with helmet on, with boots on, with proper directions and all, with proper signals and all. Thereby, people looking at us from distance can learn what a responsible driver means, what a responsible rider means. That's very important. Nowadays, you see so many road mishaps happening in every corner of the road. Those are all silly mistakes one feels, but basically what is lacking in the rider is the sense of responsibility and the sense of judgment. That is what we create, that awareness in our group. There are so many seniors in this group who've been in the club since the past 10 years or 12 years, and they have instilled this proper sense in each and every rider. So you just pick up any rider in our group, you will feel that sense of responsibility is there in that rider. And people, when we go on our rides and all, they just admire us, looking from the cars, windows of the cars, and from the buses and all. They just admire us because of the way we ride in a disciplined format, in a train, in a parallel formation and all such things. And we also do much social responsibility events, like we have conducted blood donation camps, and we have donated blood. For example, about 3 months back, we had gone to Bidar Hospital, Guru Nanak Hospital, and 150 of our brothers, have donated blood there. We've gone on a peace rally to Medak Church. We've done several, orphanage events as well. So this is social responsibility causes. We share all that from our group, and I'm very proud to be a Wanderer.